Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this quick videos, I'm going to show you how you can make money selling people's products for free and fast. Now, before you skip these videos, I want you to know this is very effective, and you don't need to have any experience to do this, because instead of you waiting and wasting your time just tapping maybe on Telegram, waiting for free token, with these strategies you can start earning some good decent of money fast, and it's very straightforward. I'm going to show you and how you can do this easily. And the reason why I'm showing you this, because I know some of you are broke, and with these strategies that I'm going to show you, you can just start using this, and if you can just focus on it, you will see a lot of good results before this year ends. So I'm going to make this video very quick and straightforward so you can start. The first thing now you need to do is just go to munchai.com. You can just search for it on Google, this correct spell. Now don't go yet, you need to wait for this video, to watch this video to the end before you go there. Now once you come to this website, you will see a lot of launch going on today, and big launch and launch that will be happening tomorrow, next tomorrow. Now what you need to do and what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be promoting one of these products. Now the reason why this is very effective is that you are not the one telling people to buy your product, like buying this product. There's a lot of buyer already. All you need to do is for you to promote it, and this is what I'm going to be showing you how you can do inside this video. So let's say we want to go for this product, which is this AI October, or I said let's go for this one, which is Life Caster 247. Now the first thing I will do if I'm you is this: we just search for this product on Google or another search engine you are using. So by this you can just sorry for interrupt. So once you come and search for this, you will see a lot of people have already did review for this product, because this product is launched today. What you want to do, some are running advertisements for this. What you want to do is this: you want to come to this, you just want to search for the keyword first to know how it's going here. You see people are making reviews about it. Now the next thing is this: just come to this and click on the JV page. Now you can see a lot of details about how they pay right here. Let's just go to, let's scroll down to the funnel. Right here you can see how they pay. You see the front end, the first upsells, the second, the third, the fourth, and they say you have one-time payment, and all this you're going to be getting 50% commission from each and every sales you bring. Now what you need to do now is this: just click on affiliate link, and you're going to click on get your affiliate link. Once you do that, it's going to lead you to this page, which is JVZoo, and you need to request for your link. But because you are new, you don't have account yet, you will need to create an account, which is just log in, and it's going to prompt you to sign or create your own account. So if you don't have an account, just create an account. It's instant approve, you don't need to wait. Now once you fill in the information right here, and you have verified your account, which is by clicking the email links they sent you, the link they sent you, and you have logged in. Now another thing you need to do is just come back to this page and request affiliate. Now you're going to see some description that tell us how you're going to promote this product. You can just write, hey, I know I'm new here, Well, please approve me to promote your product. I'm using Google SEO to promote it. Simple as that. Most of them are going to approve you. Some are not going to approve you first. After the launch, they're going to approve you. Now, after the launch, sales goes on as well. It's not that only during the launch sales goes. So once they approve you, you grab your link. The next thing you need to do is just come back here, go to JVDoc. Some JV page may not have JVDoc, don't worry. You can just come here. You can just go to their sales page by just clicking here, products page. Once you click on products page, just take you to the page of the website. So what I'm going to do is this: you will just copy all the content on this page and go to ChatGPT. So, and you will paste this content in ChatGPT, modify it if it's too long, and tell ChatGPT to write a review based on it. You tell him the instruction that the review should be like 2,000 words, something like that. I think you understand me. So let me just paste this for, let's see, maybe it's going to, you can see it's writing this. Now after this, I will just tell him I want you to write review for me, like I want you to write review, alright, good review for me on, I'm coming, this product, and the review should be 2,200 or 2,500 words, and SEO optimize. Just save it like that, and it's going to write you a good review. Now once it's finished writing this review, you can create a Facebook page and post. You create a Facebook page based on this keyword, and you will copy your affiliate link they give you. You will find the affiliate link here. Once you get approved, just copy it and go to any URL jotter like Bitly. You can go to any of this one, but this one is one that I know for a long time. You can use it, short your URL. Now once you short your URL, you're going to copy it, and you're going to be attaching the URL right here. Like after this place, you can attach it to this paragraph before these key features. Once you do that, scroll down, apply it right here as well. You can scroll down and apply it right here again. You can just write something like, click here to buy and get sweet discount. By doing this in your Facebook page, and you have attached your link there, or you just put your link in front and you add something like this emoji. You can add finger emoji, like hand pointing, like this. You can just add this and add your link. Maybe your link is ChatGPT, JV's maybe the link they gave you is this, and you have shortened it using URL shorter. Just come here and add this, and once you paste this into Facebook group, in Facebook page, and you can just share it. If you have anybody you can share it with, but it's not about sharing this. Within 24 hours, Facebook is going to index this post, Google is going to index it, and you are going to show up on search results because of the authority on this website. So once it show up, you be among those people here, and if they read this review through you, they can buy through you. As you see all these YouTube reviews, it's because they post on YouTube. You see Reddit. So that's how you can do it easily without paying anybody. And by doing this, if you can do it, I'm very sure you start earning from 100 to 500 per day. First you remain earning that per week later, because once you do this one and you do another one, like you do like 3 to 4 per day, and you do it for 1 month, every single one you have did already will still bringing you click and sales, in as most people want that product and they find your review and they go through it and they buy through your link. So it's very simple and it's very straightforward. So that's it. It's nothing complicated. If you want more explanation on this, I can make full 1 hour tutorial or go live on YouTube. That's how just you can do it. So if you like this video, you can just like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. And it's been a long time I make videos on the YouTube channel, so I just make this first. I will start showing my face again, so we'll see you in the next video. Peace.